Well, keeping an eye on your money tonight, the head of government-controlled mortgage giants Fannie Mae and Freddie Mac has announced a policy that could allow borrowers to get more loan money. For more on the mortgage changes and what they could mean for potential home buyers, Abby Maurer is joined now by Pat Gaver, a Capital City bank.
Thanks, Jaden. Thank you for joining us this evening. What would you say to potential home buyers? What do they need to know about these changes?
Well, these changes really were about the maximum loan amounts that Fannie Mae and Freddie Mac would allow. They are going to continue to allow, which is good news, loan amounts in standard areas of $417,000 and in high-cost areas $625,000. You can imagine if those loan amounts were dropped, maybe that wouldn't be a huge effect to the Tallahassee market area, but when you talk about California or San Jose, California more expressly, the average home price is almost $600,000. So to have Fannie Mae and Freddie Mac participating, especially in markets that maybe are a little more expensive than ours, allows those economies to continue to flourish. Reducing those loan amounts would be very detrimental to those markets.
And that's another question. What would you say to critics who are saying, hey, this is what led to the collapse of 2008?
We certainly improved and gave rise to those limits in that time period, but we're not moving off of the mark. We are simply not reducing those loan amounts, which is allowing those economies to still be productive.
Okay, and so how can people learn more about the changes to this program? As you said, it may not affect Tallahassee, but for somebody who's looking to move or maybe has family in other areas, how can they learn more information about this?
Absolutely. FannieMae.com, FreddieMac.com are terrific, user-friendly, customer-friendly websites that can help borrowers as they look at loan opportunities in new and different geographies. Also, we can utilize the Mortgage Bankers Association, which is MBA.com, and utilize their resources for preparing for either a move or for financing even in Tallahassee.
Okay, sounds good. Pat Gaver with Capital City Bank, thank you for joining us this evening.
Thank you. It was great to be here.